Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is a short piece of code where we count the number of files in a folder. So let's have a look. So I've got a folder here called folder X. Okay, so there's two files in there. So let's go back here and let's start off with the code. First of all, import OS. We'll be using this. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to create a path. I'm going to assign that to C:users mark desktop. Okay, so that's the path to my desktop. Your desktop path will be different to this, so you will have to find your own unique desktop path. Otherwise, if you simply type this in, you'll get an error. Okay, so it's going to be os.chdr, change directory into this path. Right, what we're going to do now is we're going to create a function. I'm just going to call it count files. Okay. Right. I'm going to create another path inside here. Put the R flag there and C. Users mark desktop and the name of the folder. Not sure whether we need this one up here or not. I'll see as we go on. So the folder is called X. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to create a variable. I'm going to have to shrink this down a little bit or else I won't fit it on the page. So I'm going to create a variable here called files. Assign it to os.listDir. Simply going to be path. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this out here. I don't think we need it, but if we do, I'll add it back in. I can't remember, to tell you the truth. Okay, so os list directory, so that'll list everything in the directory. So I'm going to create another variable called num files, which is number of files, and this is where the magic happens and we count the files. So we're going to use the sum here, and this just simply counts the files. One for f in files if os.path dot is file. Okay, I might have to zoom out a little bit on here, but I'll zoom back in later. Okay, so let's have a look. So is file, so that's going to be os.path.join, and then we're going to have the path and the F. Okay, let's just zoom in a little bit more on there. Let's bring that over here, or maybe not. I think that's let's just have it all in. Okay. Right, what we're going to do is we're going to print. We're going to format the string. Number of files, and simply interpolate num files here. Right, all we have to do now is call the program. Simply going to be count files. Okay, let's run it. Okay, so there you go. It's told us the number of files in there is 2. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye bye.